Right on the side.
Slide on the rink, don't go near him, right? But off the rink, he is the best dude, honestly. He's so personable. Slide. Yeah, don't fuck with him on the rink, though. Yeah, you see that?
Yeah. Do you remember when that was in the game?
No. I probably should have left the old one on. Maybe we would have fucking won.
Yeah, maybe I should have used
Yeah, the one you can't see out of.
Oh, what's up? Oh.
Go front, go front.
Yeah, I got it earlier.
That's what I was telling Ty. I was like, probably should have left the old helmet on. We might have won that game. It's like, it's all about superstitions, right?
I saw you flying down there. I was like, what the hell? He's got a different helmet on?
I have different helmet.
Dude, I hate wearing helmets. I hate it.
I feel like I play
One wide.
Like, you see me, like, down North Road if I come to play, I'm just a different player, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hate it. It feels like it's weighing me down a little bit. And then that white one, it was bigger, so like every time I would move.
You had to fix everything.
That's what happened when
I watched our game, the Strikers game, and every time I did something, I was like, oh,
CJ, you might as well come in here,
yeah.
I'll come in the middle of play. I'll come walking in.
Climb over.
Because you're not leaving. Let's be so honest. You're not leaving.
You're not leaving, DJ.
You're the Wolf of Wall Street, dude. You're not leaving.
I want to, but I have to go home.
You want to, but you want to go.
Yeah.
That's a good point.
Who does Kudas play? Kudas plays next, right?
I think they should play Scots.
Yeah, they play
That'll be a good game.
2 games. Bulldogs and Scots. Serpents and
Maybe we'll get that. What the hell is Chuck doing? Not updating anything?
Well, it's all updated.
Here's just updated.
The Serpents and Thrashers play last.
Now, second.
Yeah, they got their
Oh,
This might be a closer game.
This goalie is
I need
actually
a good old back crack.
Yeah,
I need you in here, BJ. I need
guy
a good
playing
old
goal.
At
back
least you
crack.
get to
He's
sit down
good.
for the next one.
He's very
True. I give you so much credit, dude. To stand here and do this for like 4 or 5
I
games.
still got 3 more games.
Yeah, brother, I give you. Hey, you're making money, so there are worse jobs in the world. You're making what, 15, 20 bucks an hour?
15, yeah.
Yeah. You can't beat it for,
For literally standing here and watching something that
yeah.
I've already been watching anyway.
Jason,
Yeah.
I'm expecting some goals out of you today. Come on. Val Hollow played. Ragnarok had today off.
Dude, Phil showed up, and it changed the whole game.
I knew it was going to be good.
2 close games for this.
Dude, I played with Phil and against Phil a million times, and every time, he's taking me inside to go right back outside and making that toe drag move. That's why I played it the way I did, and then he just blew past me with speed.
Yeah, because you don't think Phil's going to run.
Yeah. But, dude, yeah. I thought he was making the toe drag move and going back inside. That's why I had my stick there, in case he did it, and then he just blew past me inside.
The thing is, like, you stepped what you got. Mangle stepped 2 for some reason. He should have stayed back.
He didn't even get a stick. I thought he was going to throw a stick out, but he didn't even throw a poke check or nothing.
Mangle stepped 2 and he did nothing.
Mangle was pissed at me on that one.
Yeah, he was.
Did you see his penalty? He took?
Yeah, that was bad. That was pretty bad.
Yeah. The game just started.
Yeah.
The first shift of that game, dude, got whacked in my foot, man.
Yeah, they were.
It hurt, brother. It hurt bad. Thankfully, I tried to keep my shoulder minimized.
Good coverage.
Had a couple of shots. Their goalie played phenomenal.
Like Shane had that one off the bat, he just tapped it. I was like, okay, maybe he'll let some other soft.
For what their goalie usually plays like, he played his fucking A game today, bro.
If I could get a couple more times, it was
Hot stick. Oh, it's in. Oh.
Wow.
Didn't it look like it was in his Bible?
It did.
Open, Mark!
Almost. Good block.
So we need Butler to win.
To win. We need Butler to win.
Oh, then they pass us.
Nice block.
No, Butler's already ahead of us, aren't they?
No.
No.
They're minus right now.
So it really doesn't matter.
Well, it would help more.
Yeah, because they play people.
Alright, right?
Well, actually, yeah.
Same thing happens in every sport, right? Where you're like, damn, this guy's hot. We would love to see them in the playoffs instead of the other team. And now, like, same thing. It's like, do we really want to see Butler in the
I
playoffs?
think Butler plays all next week.
They do.
So we have to beat McKeesport
For the most part, yeah.
to stay ahead. Hopefully they, you know, for our sake, hopefully they take an L this
East
time.
Fork, where we need Bullet Club and Mafia to lose out.
Yeah. Oh.
Go there!
Look! Watch your back. This is also on the bench.
Oh wow.
It's all fault.
Good call. Good call. That was the right call. Tassos didn't.
Tassos had the delayed reaction.
Yeah. I didn't think he saw it from here.
How's it not a trip?
Yeah.
It is an
That was a
obvious
good
trip.
call. Right in between his legs.
First one, yes, that one now.
Yeah.
And from over here, we all had it. It looked blatant as could be over here.
All right, if you said no, I can't say.
Oh, shit. Oh.
That's off, that's great.
Wow. Wow.
Great save, Will.
Fine.
Josh is calling. I was like, what are you talking about, Josh is down? Where's Celtic at? Apparently.
The team move version of fucking
Seriously.
Hey, two. You go for a hike today, my man?
Huh?
We talked last weekend. You go for a hike today?
Oh, that's right, man. No, not this. This is the first game I've been fresh all year. And now I'm in the box.
You're real fresh.
Maybe you need the hike, yeah. You need the hike, brother.
You guys are already short of that one.
Yeah. I got too much energy right now. That's the problem.
Yeah.
Too much. You need to start doing laps in here.
He will.
Give him a little wheel like a hamster.
Jogging place
No,
for
give
the
me
next
stationary
minute.
button.
You gotta stay loose for the rest of the game.
Where's the blue medical tent?
Wheel! Almost. Better save though. Great save.
Keeping it in.
He's good.
Pum, 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 pum.
Yeah, you want me to come
I think they found the goalie of the future for them.
These are ridiculous.
Go with Kills. We had him all year. Like, I don't know if we're top. I think we can keep them.
Definitely compete, yeah. Definitely games you probably could have won if you had a good team. You guys had a phenomenal game. They're getting it together, man.
Why do I know that name, Josh McCollum? Why do I know that name?
He plays on Valhalla. He's one of the defensemen.
Oh. Oh. That's his last name?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I didn't know that.
Good, they're in.
Nice play. This dude on blue looks like him. He's a generic version of Josh would say. 5. Even!
That was a great call, Chuck.
I got energy.
They're missing Brady.
Nice play, Smack.
No change on the ice.
I know, I'm so sad.
Didn't he have like a highlight reel goal?
He
Yeah, he
did.
did.
He did.
Yeah, he did. Like 2 weeks ago.
Dude, he's a beast.
He is pretty good.
It was the same week as Phil, I think. It was they played each other.
Oh, they played me. Yeah.
Yeah, it was. It was.
Yeah, he had one and Phil had. He had one and Phil had one.
I should have had one last week.
I don't know. All I'm saying, Chris should have been on the highlight reel.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't even watch it.
No, I'm saying for bad.
Stop talking about it. It's like it's football.
Oh yeah, maybe I'll put it on there too.
I would have.
Every play man will make it.
Yeah, it should.
We're not going to talk about that ever again. All right? I got walked and we know it. We all know it here.
Oh, we talked about it, Chris. We talked about it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull up the clip.
Yeah. I already watched it back. I was like, God damn. Holy lordy.
What? Why are you pointing at me, man?
Yeah, I watched it back. Oh, man.
They fucking shot it down here. I said goodbye, me, man.
Oh, Shane.
Oh, Shay, come on, man.
That's to be expected.
Shay, you can hit him but can't hit the net. Oh, yeah. Yeah, wide open net. You missed it, but you hit me.
He does.
Hey, question for you. So, why doesn't Jake play tournaments with us?
Jake Culverini?
Yeah.
He doesn't want to.
He doesn't play any tournaments?
He plays, he plays local for Mean Machine.
Yeah.
But away, we could probably actually get him for away tournaments, I'll be honest.
He's solid.
Yeah, I didn't want to either.
His IQ is high.
Yeah, his IQ was awesome.
You're on.
It all depends. Like if it would be a weekend that women play too, then Just would go.
Yeah. I told you. You let me know which tournaments we're going to, and I can get some guys. You just got to let me know how many. And
Let's do Iowa next year. Let's do the 2 Cleveland tournaments. Ocean City. And yeah, let's do Ocean City definitely.
are we doing?
We're doing Holiday Bash.
Yeah. Holiday bash.
Yep.
I want to get one of those jackets.
What, this year?
Yeah. Yep, we're doing it this year. 100%.
Everyone else has.
And we got our Madden.
Buck was calling you, my man.
Yeah, no, I see what you.
Yeah, Madden.
Yeah, they're doing beans.
Hold on.
Not the
She's a cop.
It's not to be a true league.
It's 88-15. Defense, anyone good?
Thought you had all that energy, brother.
He's cramping.
I'm dying. I'll let you know.
No.
Nice move. The wrong way, but nice move. Yeah, I watched that watch that Malin's game back, and then they dropped the Strikers game. So I watched it, and then I had to go back to the Strikers to make myself feel good again. I was down in the dumps after that one.
45.
Oh, he ran away from the net.
The fuck, Doss?
On it again. That's the right penalty to take. Huh? Yeah, that was the right penalty to take. He's out there on a breakaway, right?
What?
Yeah.
Did too much afterwards. Shake it. You made me right blood. You didn't want to go Is it up and out? Up and out. Pick up. Walk it. 25.
Get the net.
That's off.
There you go.
Back up, Bo.
Task, net good. Task, net good.
We're here?
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
What up, man? We're extroverts out here.
Is your name the Port?
It should be D-A.
Nice, get at her.
Listen, oh my gosh.
Nah, trust me, I got it. I'm on top of it.
10 seconds here. Everybody
That's a
deep.
go with that check. That check. What's the 32-year-old? I had to cut that off.
Right up.
Yeah, exactly.
I put a covering over top of him so it looked like
Dude, I watched that game about 3-4 times. I'm like, what can I do different on this play?
This is the real highlight right here.
Which one? Hold on. What game?
Yours. Your good one.
Thank you. You're boosting my confidence now.
Slide, Task. I'll slide.
You were dragging me down there for a second.
You guys, that's a good battle. Balls away, gentlemen.
Tell him to keep it positive, man.
That's right. Positivity.
Hurt my feelings.
20.
What do we got? Are you showing it?
It was the first goal of the game.
It was the first game. I also had that pass to Joe, and he loved it. Threw it over the net. Huh?
It's not on the highlights. Maybe the full game.
Yeah, it is. 2 minutes in. Don't worry, I got it down pat.
You got it like saved on your fucking screen.
We got a whistle, offensive face-off.
door.
And
Could have shut the door.
who was that? Matt who threw it to me. It was kind of a risky pass. Made it to me.
You said 3 minutes in?
2. Don't go to 3. Just 2. I've never seen Tyler that mad at me before. And I've had a lot of questionable moments. Loving that too.
88.
Nice face off with Bobby.
I thought you were coming in. What are you doing still on the outside?
I was hanging with Bubby, but he just left, so.
Yeah,
So now you're going to come
because he
in.
wants you to come in.
Nah. My dog says I'm going to come in.
My dog says that to me all the time.
Well, did your dog send you a text?
Yeah.
But I told her Sundays.
He said, I ain't seen you all day.
It really hasn't.
Oh.
This is looking good for us.
Yeah, this is great for us right now. Still a lot of hockey left.
Here we go.
Get on it, Bobby.
You want me to watch this game, and I'm trying to watch this game.
Well, this is the highlight.
Well, you just came in here.
I was there, I seen it.
There we go.
still gotta show you again.
Yeah, if you just came
I was
in.
doing the clock. No, Joshua.
He saw it live and in living color.
Joshua.
So did I.
Talking to Skylar the whole time.
I watched it from because I was mad and I threw all my shit at Lady's yard and I had to go get it at Lady's yard. I threw my stick and my helmet in that fucking Lady's yard. Thank God she didn't have a ball.
Yeah, I told Chris when he came on the back, if you're not washed,
Oh, I am.
well, maybe after what Phil did today.
Again, bringing me back down, brother. We were at the heights, and now you're bringing me back down.
Mallard's game, they got
idea, but you needed
Strikers game, you got them. And then right back here at the meatballs game. So maybe next game you're up for a big play.
I think in my career moments, I've had better plays than not so good plays. So we're gonna figure that out. We're gonna sit down and talk.
We're gonna sit down and talk, but we basically got a good portion of our normal team, and then
Don't they have a co-ed?
yeah, you usually do. I would.
Should get assets.
For what?
Come to holiday bash.
Probably not.
Not allowed.
Yeah, the little one, right? Type What's the division?
Honestly, it depends on the team we take. We could probably play D or C. Or we could go novice.
I can't do that. I have to play C.
It depends on who we take. That's what we'll have to talk about.
Yep. Without a doubt.
Stay with me. You got time, me. One. Come back, go.
Were you watching? I think it was our game. The camera was all flipped upside down too. I think it was Striker's game.
Sorry, Spec, this is too perfect.
Upside down and all sorts of things going on.
I think Connor was.
Your brother?
Yeah. Somebody's yelling.
It was funny. I was watching. I kept turning. I thought it was my screen, so I kept turning it. Like, what is going on?
Okay, I'll turn it off. Wheel!
You're asking.
Hey!
Good, Josh.
He's on the move.
Run the net!
No.
Get there!
Good no call there.
Left it!
Good no call. Yeah. Our game was a little inconsistent.
Nice save!
Because it was physical the whole game. It was a penalty on side, but, you know, if you're not going to call it the whole game, you can't call it with 4 minutes to go in the game. In a 1-goal game? Oh, no.
You got the rest of the game still?
He's behind you now.
That was the family, brother. That was the kid.
She's good.
Yeah.
Old lady hates it, but I'm never home.
From
From working and talking. And
Hey, man. You're providing, brother.
I told her not even to go back to work. I said, I'm not.
Yeah, you're providing. That's what men do. They provide.
Good! Run to it!
Your only thing you have to worry about is that little kid.
Yeah.
I will do everything else.
Provide and protect, brother. That's what we do. That Coldplay had me crying, bro. Crying.
All the fucking views for that thing.
Yeah. He could have just played it off and it would have been alright.
All these fucking things.
Yeah. There was what, 50,000 people there?
There was a lot.
You're telling me he's a CEO of a major company.
Yeah.
And not one of those 50,000 people saw him and didn't recognize him? Plus, you know, they're both married with kids. It's like, what are we doing?
He's like 3 or 4 kids.
Yeah. You know how morally messed up that shit is? Yeah.
People's faces.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's hilarious. I love a good Instagram reel, man. Oh, a good, funny Instagram reel.
Did you see the Phillies made a parody of it?
Yeah, the mascot.
The mascot.
Yeah.
That was funny as shit, dude.
Dude, the Goldberg hugging Bret Hart one.
Yeah. There's a couple weird ones, too.
Grab my chip flyer.
Fuck no.
After dragging me down like that, he's saying no.
He had that set up. He was like, DJ, why are you in here?
That dude. We've been asking him for the last 3 games to come in.
He said he was leaving before last game started.
I was supposed to leave a while ago.
He's not leaving.
We got the Scots and Bulldogs.
We know you're not. Like, you might as well just come in.
I actually want to see Celtics too, but might as well just come in, dude.
Hey, that was a good no call. Down there. There was nothing there, yeah.
That's what I thought.
Take him out. All right, good hustle, buddy. Watch the front. Watch the front, Jason.
Dang.
He's gonna be you.
I'm not gonna lie. I think my head's really screwed up.
I think it is too.
I looked over at that dude over there in the Butler
Yeah.
when he was running down.
Yeah.
I thought he had like a bowl on his head.
A what on his
A
head?
bowl, like you like black. It looked weird.
I think that's just
What you got there, Chuck? Macadamia nut. Oh, man.
Nobody's gonna pull it.
Want some?
No. That's yours, brother.
Chuck thought he was a bullet.
I will take a couple of sips.
Oh, you like that salt vinegar?
Yeah, hell yeah, dude. I love my high cholesterol.
BJ, the view's better when you don't have to look through the kitchen.
Better come back in.
I will.
We're keeping these over here. You just come in to get them.
I am. I'll be there. I'm gonna go see if they got chips up in there. Justin's up there. Get a couple chips. I'm hungry.
There it is.
We'll hook in.
Want that? Want that? Too high. Middle. Point. Go with it.
Feet to them.
That's you, Bobby.
You're back.
In his face. In his face. Hold on. The board. One on, look.
I'm big cramping this motherfucker tonight.
Oh.
To your feet. Nice save, Tommy. Nice save.
Oh, me.
Okay. Go to those. Don't stand there, coaches.
I feel like this has been a very long period.
The first one flew by.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Josh is like that pretty good.
You know, Josh, he played on the first revenge season we had at NBHL, and I never knew his last name. Ever. He played on a couple of tournament teams, but never knew his last name was McCollum. That's crazy.
Were you on Revenge last year?
Uh-huh. That was a rough season, bro. On paper, we should have been a lot better than we were. Yeah. Yeah, not only that, but we lost Phil for the rest of the season after that game. He broke like 8 ribs or something.
Oh, it was bad.
Yeah. I took him to the hospital after the game, and then like, I've known Phil since I was like a baby, so he's kind of like the uncle, you know, the unk status, close family friend. So I'll go and check on him all the time. He had this tube that he would have to blow through.
30 from 9.
Man, it was rough to watch,
30
bro.
from 9er.
30 from 9.
Old Niner.
I see the thing, and I know it's 30, but it looks like 18 or 38.
Yeah, it's terrible. There was another team that plays in-house here, and they have this number like I mess it up every time. I'm like, hey,
There he is.
Yeah. There he is, back in here.
About time. About time. We knew
it was coming.
Pulling our leg. Yeah.
You knew it was coming.
Bobby left you over there and you got left.
Yeah, is Bubby still here or no?
Where'd Bobby go?
Fighting shots.
Oh, he's over with Scott's.
Who'd he ride with?
Over 4.5 just hit.
What?
Who'd he ride with?
Yeah.
Oh, is that, yeah.
What is that left? Calling me taking that.
Oh, Tommy.
Yeah, he asked Tommy if he can ride him up.
Tommy's gonna drop him off at the back.
Huh.
North Hills.
Just leave him on 376.
Roll. Tuck and roll, Granny.
Yeah, it was just a matter of time. Just had to keep convincing him. He knew he wanted to. It was all just the denial at first.
Denial.
It was like being a drug addict and thinking you're not one, right? It's the denial at first. But we knew he was coming in eventually.
My ex-wife.
She's gonna watch this and hear you say that. Messed up now.
Good.
I don't think I ever met her.
Someone's got pressure. Walk down. Someone's got pressure.
I have no comment. I'm just.
What?
Go.
Chuck,
I know, no Gavin.
remind me to grab that water bottle out of your stuff.
Yes.
Go.
I'm actually gonna go get it after this game.
Get back on, Jason. Go, Scott.
Yeah. No, the water bottle, his water bottle out of the car.
There you go.
I can go get it after the
Fine. I left it down at North Hills.
Turn. There you go.
Shite the other day down there left 2 brand new sticks.
Really?
Jeez.
Hey, I gotta get back into some
What, you?
some in-house. Cause I mean, this is all I play. You know what I mean? If you need me.
Yeah, come put me this week.
Yeah, I'll come out. Wednesday at 7, huh? Alright. Yeah, let's see. This is all I play. So. I like to stay active before I move.
9?
9.
9.
There he is. 9.
It's 9.
Brother.
Oh, my legs are cramping.
I'm probably gonna watch most of the next game and then that'll be it.
I'm working, yeah, the next game.
Yeah, I'll probably leave either during that game or something.
I'll come to your car after.
And leave for something to
I
eat.
said that too.
Yeah. Come to your car after this game.
Yeah. Eventually, I gotta take the kids home. So
Eventually, that's the key word. Eventually.
yeah, I'm sure if I say, hey, I keep you for the 10, they won't be like, all right.
Yeah. So you might as well, man. Enjoy some more. Oh, brother.
She'll be alright to be out drinking.
She stay in Greensburg too.
She lives in Youngwood.
Okay.
I'll tell you where she goes. Maybe you go smash it if you want.
Spiritual, like 32-year-old man.
No, I'm 13 though, dude.
Bro, she was deep into like all the spirituals about like the holidays and all that. I'm like, God damn, dude. Freaking me out a little
Hey, I
bit.
have good luck on the 13th, bro.
It's a lucky number, bro.
Get that line, dude. You gotta get that line and pull back.
Did Mills leave or is he sticking
No,
around?
he's down there talking. He plays next, so
Mikey?
yeah.
Not right now. I appreciate it though.
We're almost done.
I'll never forget when we I put a team in clubs in B. And I combined with Withers, right? We're in a shootout, and I'm like, I'll pick the first two, but you can pick the last one. And the last person to shoot, Mikey O. And I was like, out of the whole talented roster we had, brother, goddamn. Nothing against Mikey O, great dude. But he was hitting me with statistics on the bench. He was like, he's 80% on shootouts. I was like, all right, we'll play it out. Ended up not even getting a shot off. I was like, damn. I was like 80% my ass. Mine is 80%. He's like, I've seen him take a shootout a million times. He's gonna score. I was like, alright.
Yeah, baby! That's good coaching. They're producing, why not?
Not good for us.
Got it.
27.
We need that number. Dylan. Yeah, I love Sheldon, but what he said after a game was a little out of pocket.
Yeah, that's a little much.
What do you say?
He said to Ralphie that he hopes he walks out in traffic and gets hit by a car or something. And I was like, I was talking to Crump afterwards, and I was like, yeah, that's dark. Like, you don't ever wish harm upon somebody else after a game. You know, like, settle it on the rink, and then said that. I was like, oh, man. What up, brother? You coming to give me good news or something?
I mean, that Kuda's team plays later, so
See, that's what I'm saying. Stick around. I told you she texted me, bro, saying she might come. I was trying to link up with her at night, but
I didn't know. I didn't know if they played tonight.
No,
but
she
then I
was
just see
cuddled
a
up.
few of them here, so maybe she's coming.
That's what I'm saying. That's what
If
I'm
I see
saying.
her, I'll be like, look,
Stick
over there in the bench, yo. I'll be like, he's out there trying to wait, slanging that thing.
Be the wingman, brother.
Right?
No, I'm on that for sure. I'm on that. I hit her with the options thing at the beginning. I was like, yo, I know you drove alone. You know, like, why don't you come with him? She's like, I was like, you keeping your options open, I know. I was like, that's why you ran into me today. Yeah, you gotta stick around, bro. You gotta stick around.
Yeah, I'll probably stick around some anyway. Until I gotta take the kids
On 2
home.
periods. They don't play next, right?
No, it ain't next. Next is Well, maybe they do.
No, next is
No,
Scots and
Brick
Bulldogs.
City
Yeah.
and Cranberry.
Yeah.
And then it would be them after that, and I think they might play the Thrashers.
No,
News.
Kudos play the Strikers.
Oh yeah, the Strikers, that's right.
Yeah.
I seen, that's who I seen down there.
I won't be working that game, so.
Well, I definitely gotta have the kids on my hand.
Oh!
They got me home at 9, so when I got my truck.
I looked up last second. Hey, no
Oh, Gecko round.
If I didn't remember, I would have said
Little biggie bag.
They be little assholes until they eat.
It's the hangry, bro. It's the hangry.
Is Matt Clark and his brother?
Yeah. But you're able to play Wednesday?
Yeah, I'll play Wednesday.
When do we play?
7.
I go away.
We play Dexter Legends. We play like Phil.
You
and
gotta
stuff.
send that to John.
Oh, yeah?
You guys gotta send that
Alright.
to John.
What?
You can't just pick up players anymore. You have to send it to him. He has to approve it.
Well, I don't have a network, so.
Neither do I.
Run out, D. So, yeah. What if we just put it on our roster?
You can't do that anymore. All players have to be approved on the roster.
I'm just playing for the Fighting Scots.
Well,
Yeah,
2 weeks ago.
you can sub. You just
that's
can't.
what we're saying.
Well, they can sub for a game. They can't be added permanently.
We don't have roster space unless we drop Shane and put Chris on.
No, I'm not talking about. Round. Oh.
Hold on.
I know it.
You gotta look at the league you're in and who you can pick up and stuff. I just pick up anybody.
Him and his brother. Compared to we lost JV Carl at Cody.
Got the Mac Miller hand. Should have won and got a bobblehead yesterday.
Oh,
But it's close.
I don't know about his brother.
His brother played English.
Yeah, I know who his brother is. That's.
Yeah, he played.
You can
I'm
tell.
washed too, brother.
There's
I'm
no
washed
energy.
too.
He's
He starts playing again.
starts playing a lot. And yeah.
I filled in for, what's the maximum?
You're allowed to go over that 16, but the players have to be like in that skill level. They can't be like ridiculous players additions.
Yeah, I am not ridiculous, bro.
We have Shane on our roster.
Ferris?
Yeah.
How's his foot? Is he playing now?
He is back playing, yeah.
Yeah.
Come behind you. Come behind.
Has he actually been?
Dude,
I'm saying he has.
Well, the winner is different because that's A.
the whole Ferris family is maybe the most wholesome people I've ever
Yeah,
met.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, we have both Shane and Zach on our team.
Yeah, but he never shows up.
Yeah, none of them showed up.
I'm watching in front.
Because it's Wednesdays.
Now he taps us as in front. I got the board.
Yeah, they're some of the most wholesome people I've ever met.
Guys, both of you just go. It's just going to escalate, and then we're going to end up. Yeah, that's the best bet.
That's
Good
his,
job.
That's his
Who's
third
gone?
of the game. That's his third of the game.
I'm not counting penalties. That's what it is.
What's his
They
name?
were just going at it for far too long, and then eventually someone's going to escalate, punch somebody, and then we're going to be like, man, I wish I'd have.
Somebody else has to serve for him.
That's your third penalty.
You're done.
Sorry.
I was gonna say stationary bike time, brother. Stationary bike, get him it.
Still 5-on-5, guys.
Just play the game then? Yeah, 3. Okay.
Now, since his third penalty was a coincidental, would someone have to serve his penalty?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even if it's coincidental?
Yeah.
One middle.
Yeah, that was close.
Loud on whistling one. After a whistle. 130 and a whistle. Okay. Whistle, do you know what
Yeah, for.
Get that up afterwards.
Uh, I don't know if I want 6 and 24 seconds after that.
Coincidental, it doesn't really
4 minutes plus minus 24 seconds.
So 30 seconds. 336.
336 and a whistle.
like the play on the ring.
336 and a whistle.
That's true. That's a good point there.
What?
Somebody not serving his penalty because it ain't affecting anything because it's a whistle.
That's true.
We had this whole discussion at clubs. Someone has to serve.
Okay, we're gonna have to, yeah, I just want to double check. That's all. I'm not saying you're wrong. That's good. Keep. I'm saying I want to double check.
Yeah.
And it doesn't mean that they might have been wrong.
No, it was Mike Wabi who said it.
Mike Wabi is the also one that never knew that offsides on net was a whistle. That's why it changed.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You didn't know that?
No.
Oh my.
And I sent it to him in the rule book, and he goes, "What?"
All right, then I changed my opinion on that.
Yeah, he actually said to me, he's like, "Why would anybody blow a whistle if someone's offsides?" I'm like, "Because it's in the rule book." He said, "No, it's not." So I sent him. That's what provoked that whole.
That is funny.
Yeah, that's what I
I did not realize that.
You can call off that. Because Jared probably playing that.
Oh, that did not hurt.
Why is he still moving after that, dude?
Hey, how is he a tank? When Xander hit me nuts, I was now.
Nice save! Let's go, Will! Put on! Hey, back here!
He shot it right at it.
No save, no
That hurt
save!
me, dude.
Blows away, leave it go. Good job, leave it. We're just gonna make sure anybody gets hurt. We're gonna go right here, guys.
What was it? Yeah, you guys are out. You guys are out.
Thank you.
That was a good test, dude.
The one guy was still lying on his.
Yeah,
BJ, why aren't you out there?
You want me in here? You want me out there? Where do you want me?
I'll be honest with you. I don't think you want to go.
Yeah,
You
go on
might
the
have to. You might have to rub.
I'll go to him.
You might have to rub somewhere.
That might be a good video spot up on the roof.
yeah, but you didn't play. No,
There you
I
go.
don't know what happened, dude.
Tyler, you're on the roof next again.
All right,
That's a
I'm
good
following.
video
I'll
spot.
film from up there.
That's a good video spot up on the roof.
Is that it? Till a ball comes up and hits you in the head.
Yeah.
Like Happy Gilmore.
No, it's just like in here though. The ball can come up and hit you in the head.
Yeah, but you can't fall off
I'll let
anything
you
up
be the
here.
test on me up there for next game.
Oh yeah, that's right. We'll get my brother to do it. Next week, we'll get the Connor deal.
Oh,
Go, Jay! First, Jay! Watch across! Stay on it, Trent.
Up on the roof, there it goes.
that would have been you, brother. That would have been you.
Where would you be actually? Right here.
Yeah, in the center. Got to be.
Coming on the ring.
Go ahead and get center before you go.
Got to wear a helmet up there.
You might.
You gotta wear a cage.
Yeah, that'd be tough.
Yeah.
That was a good 2-second take.
Good game off.
Oh, had a little curve to it.
Yeah, it did.
There you go.
Watch the middle. Watch back, please. Nice line. Keep it deep, keep it deep.
You know, this Bullet Club, man. They got some heart, brother.
They do.
For having the season that they're having, and for still a majority of their team to show up and give it their all every
They're still
game.
all playing, giving their all every game.
Yeah. You gotta give it to him. He's funny.
He just shot that dude.
Legality.
Yep.
He just shot that dude right in the nuts.
First, he was funny until he got bit by a shark.
Bite his nose off, dude.
He bit his ear, fucking Tyson.
Fucking Tyson him.
No shit.
shit. Oh shit, it's a game now.
Timeout black, yo.
5, 7. Johnny 5. Johnny 5 alive.
Give me a drink.
Yeah, this is higher than the last game. I think we ended the last one at about 50. So this one's.
Next game will be fun.
Yeah.
What a save.
Bulldogs are dicks.
They're assholes.
Yeah.
We'll
Good
throw
old Penn
everybody out.
Hills, brother. Good old Penn Hills.
We'll throw everybody out.
Go for it.
I like it.
That,
Start-
I
start with
love
that
that
little midget
mentality.
I like it.
I love it.
That's my captain.
Yeah.
My fucking
You know who I'm
captain.
talking about.
I'm my fucking captain.
It's
What
like
gen
a
is that,
team.
dude?
Everybody knows
That
what it
thing
is.
is fancy.
I don't even know. It was like I got it like a year and a half ago.
Yeah, I like
They
the
just
bands.
like literally I walked in the store when they came out with it.
Yeah.
So
They're up to like 9 or 10 now, dude. Like they come out with it every year.
Every year.
Same thing with the AirPods. I got the Gen 1, you know, the first ones, and now they're at like 4 or 5. I'm like, damn. They just keep going up in price. Same with the iPad, everything. You sneaking behind us.
I ain't sneaking, man. I'm big fat and loud as
He's
fuck,
slithering.
man.
He's slithering right by.
Slithery back
He was
there.
slithering. I seen him slithering down.
Oh, man. This big guy.
Oh.
Slithering.
Oh,
Got it.
Wow. Wow. That'd have been highlight. I got a question for you. You think Phil's goal makes the top 10?
Hey, get down, jump back. 3 back.
Where he walked both of us?
Yeah, probably top 10 for the week.
There's
Yeah.
one he had the other week.
That was against this Butler team.
Yeah.
And Butler had one again with you the same week.
Yeah, bro, it was so funny, dude. Brad in our chat line. Because somebody posted that video, and Brad's response was, oh, man, I got burnt by a fat guy. It was great as hell. Well, I think he said kid knocked out, but he's like, man, I got beat by the fat kid. Brady.
Oh,
Hey, it was a
man.
nice play, it was a nice move. His reaction was the best.
That's fun. That's a,
Love it.
I've probably been the same way too.
Hey, it happens, bro.
Tell me about it, bro. Tell me about it.
Everyone gets beat, everyone beats, so, you know.
It's a part of the game, brother.
That's place in 3 weeks. That's all I'm saying.
All right, Ty. All right.
Wow.
All right. Hey, he's mean.
Go!
Oh, fuck. He's hurting my fucking feelings out here.
Hey, go!
I won't watch this past game either. I'm just going to watch this Tigers on repeat.
You were also our best defenseman in our Madden win, so
And what?
in our Madden win.
That's true.
Madden what? Tournament?
Yeah, the
Yeah,
tournament.
we only won earlier this year.
Yeah.
We're also our best
They're like the
defenseman.
Russians from the 1980s and don't